So it is February 13th. The scale says, 200 pounds. Ah, Lord. Last year this time, as you saw, I was 190. So we have gone backwards. Here's some avocado, fresh avocado. I have a whole bunch of avocado here. As you can see, I haven't really eaten any bananas, no bananas, but I have had a lot of butternut squash, which you know I like. But yeah, a lot of Hass avocados. These aren't ripe. Okay, so back to what we're eating. So instead of rice, I have boiled some cauliflower. So no rice. And then I have a lightly fried egg. I've pretty much, actually this is the first time I've used a little bit of oil for myself because I wanted to fry an egg. But usually I'm boiling eggs. And even the eggs too, I've kind of stayed away, but I wanted some protein. So yeah, I have some steamed asparagus, which asparagus cooks super fast, so I just put that on the side of the eggs and then put a lid over it. So yeah, doesn't that look yummy? And this is my first meal since early this afternoon, about 1 o'clock. I had some oatmeal. Most of the time I don't add prunes, but I feel like prunes today, so I'm gonna add about 2 prunes. And this is literally what I'm eating through the day, so I'm not necessarily doing breakfast and then lunch. Like, this is breakfast and lunch. And this is the heart healthy oatmeal. Same old, same old. Nothing exciting, but it's amazing. This stuff really works. 140 calories per serving, and this container has 30 servings. Now we need to add some spice. Add some spice, because ain't nothing worse than bland food. Just because you're trying to watch your weight and improve your diet doesn't mean your food needs to be bland. So what are we adding? Okay, I give you a second. Yeah, oatmeal gets cinnamon, nutmeg, and what? Cinnamon, nutmeg. You can add vanilla, but I don't do that. I just do cinnamon, nutmeg. And don't be shy. Go ahead and add as much as you like. Cinnamon is great for controlling your sugar. That's it. Pretty simple. And then I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of honey to my serving. I like pecans, and I like almonds, which are super healthy. I like cashews. So now we're gonna add our sliced strawberries. In fact, let's add some almond slices. Healthy, filling breakfast or lunch. So good, so good. Trying to get dinner ready. I think I'm gonna do a vegan meal. I'm also watching the news about the coronavirus, which y'all know, this is some crazy, scary stuff. God help us. Wash your hands. My goodness. Anyway, trying to keep it positive. We got some cauliflower. I'm also gonna make some asparagus. I just need to wash these and quickly steam them. This is Daddy's plate. Kenton, he likes, that's beets. He likes beets. And like me, he likes avocado. So that's his. So here's my plate. The sliced beets, steamed cauliflower, avocado, asparagus, and a little sprinkling of scallions. Pretty simple, very much vegan or vegetarian. I'm going to make things a little bit more exciting with a banana, which I've already kind of peeled it. I'm only going to use half. I have a whole bunch of bananas and I don't want them to go bad. Yeah, they're great for smoothies. For now, I'm kind of avoiding bananas just because, you know, bananas can be heavy and have quite a bit of sugar. But the fact that I've managed to stay away from sugar is amazing to me, because sugar for me means cookies, cake, which I love. I love cookies, I love cake, chocolate. Basically, for now, that is going to be taboo, and I'm gonna keep this up for at least 1 month. Yeah, so my portion is quite small. You can see, look, about the size of palm of my hand, not a big portion. And this will keep me full for the day. The hard part about this diet is that I still have to respect the fact that this is my journey, and you know, I can't force Mariam or Kenton to doing this, so you know, I want to be able to still make them the foods they like. So this is a pancake, but it's gluten-free, whole grain. It's made with almond meal, and I'm gonna make this, and I also used coconut milk instead of just half and half, plus eggs, plus a little bit of oil, and I'm gonna make them a little bit of sausage as well. So this is for them, not for me. This is tough because I would want to eat this normally, but I'm staying away from beef, and this is a little too spicy for me right now. I think this is done. So these sausages are already cooked. And we're done. So he gets a little bit of healthy, a little bit of savory, and yeah, not bad for someone who's not on a strict diet. So I just put the beans in to boil. These are the red kidney beans. Simple. And then once they're cooked, then I'll add the coconut milk and some seasoning. Actually, you know what? You could add your thyme, your scallions and stuff like that right now. So I might do that. Same day as the pancakes. Here's my lunch instead. I'm just gonna quickly stir fry these veggies, simple. Mushrooms, a little turmeric. All right, that's a lot of turmeric. And I decided I'm kind of gonna make like a mini, almost like a mini curry. So I'm gonna try to see what would this be like if I added coconut milk to it and the beans. That's what we're gonna do.
So sometimes you gotta experiment a little bit. So this is what I'm gonna use to make rice and peas for Mariam and Kenton, or what I would call the general population. For myself, I'm gonna take these cooked red kidney beans, put them in here with the mushrooms and the onions. I think I'm kind of gonna make like a soup slash stew slash, you know, I don't know, but I know it's gonna be good. So we got our beans mixed up with the onions and the mushrooms, which are cooked well, and the turmeric, and I did add some garlic powder. Now let's add some coconut milk. So this is almost like a vegetarian curry. Here's our coconut milk. Don't need too much. Now I wish I had gotten organic coconut milk. This is not organic coconut milk. This is just coconut milk from the can. But good enough for now. Gonna add some asparagus, which doesn't have a heavy flavor to it. Now cover that up, and then we'll be good. Put a little bit of scallions. I like saying onions. So now it's scallions. Let that steam. And it's done. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is what I call a 5-minute or 10-minute meal. Added some cashews and we're good. Let's taste this sauce. I'm so hungry. Beans and the mushrooms. So dinner for Kenton and Mariam. There's a seasoned rice and peas I made, as promised. No rice and peas for me, but I do have a little bit of the leftovers from earlier today. Those vegetables, I'm tossing it with some spinach, and we are all having some baked chicken. If you're like me, you liked some fresh spinach. Ooh, I think that chicken is done. I think it might be a little overdone. This is like peanuts on the top. It's like a Thai seasoning on it. So this is Mariam's plate. That's more than enough for her. Give her some steamed spinach. So Mariam, here you go. Low carb din for me. Baked chicken and vegetables, steamed, sauteed, all of that. So yeah, chicken's fine. Says 194.4. Yay, we broke the 195. Yay, we broke less than. Let me show you. See?